Welcome, guys. Welcome again to Martin Devs. Look at this. Check it out. What I got. This is what I end up doing. I end up doing some more work on the control panel. So now you can actually add up the products, product list. Let me get it going. Um, boom, boom. Just taking a little bit. I think my internet. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. So I got it says store inventory, like for the products. You can add up new product here. Just taking a little bit longer than I expected. Ding, ding, ding. All right, cool. So this is the panel. This is what it looks like, the panel. So you can actually add up the items there. You can add up a picture. You can add up multiple pictures and everything. So this is the panel. And also I integrated the blog, the detail page. So you can see the picture there. You can see when it was updated. You can hit the second page to read more. So you can got the detail page. You got the comments. You have to sign in order to write a comment. I haven't implemented that yet, so I can go back to the list. So this is how I accomplished that. So let me go back to the application here. Inside there, inside the data, I created a folder. This is it's called repository, and then I end up creating an interface here. So and I end up implementing the unit of work. So and then from there, what I did is I end up going to the program CS, and here down over here it says I end up adding a service. So here, see, I'm using unit of work interface. So let me show you guys. So I end up creating a repository for product. So I interface for this one. So I created an interface, iProduct repository, implementing the I repository, and then what I'm working on, which is the product, and then I created an update. What we're going to be updating is the product. So then what I end up doing is I implement that into the I unit of work. So see, I product repository product, and also one for the product image and one for the category. So so as the application grows, it's much easier to maintain the application. So once I implemented the interface, I end up creating one for the, let me show you guys one for the product. And here I implemented some bunch of methods here. So here I end up doing to injecting the DV context inside there. So I end up doing one for the update to update like the title, the product, the price, list, all of that. So I end up implementing the iProduct repository. The same thing for the image. So and then what I did is once I did all of that, then I end up creating a unit of work, and I also end up implementing I'm sorry, injecting the interface, the I unit of work into this one. So it derives from there. And then here, what I end up doing is here I end up using again the constructor. So application DB context here. And I have uh, one for the product, one for the category, and product image. And and here too, I end up implementing the constructor. So let me see what else I end up doing. Oh, and then once I was done with all of that, then I went inside the controller. Here it is. I have updated the one for the category because before I was actually using DV context. If you have looked at the video before, I end up using, so now this time I'm actually using a unit of work. So I have one method for, this is for the index. This was the one to create Then here I end up implementing unit of work. See right here. So here it's I'm using if middle say is valid. So index here. So I'm creating another one for the edit, one for delete, and one for delete the post. And this is how we get the API to get all. So see here, I'm checking to make sure that is I'm getting an ID. And if there's none, so then it creates it says error deleting category. So see, very simple, very straightforward. Yeah. So and then I end up applying the same thing for the product, which is over here. I end up using the I unit of work again. And here what I'm doing is I'm doing the index and I'm grabbing the list, the product list, and I'm using unit of work product get all, and I also want to include the category. So I want to be able to include the category into the products. So then I created another method here, which is I call it observe. And here, I end up also creating, you had to create another folder for your views, model views. So this one, you'll be able to find it inside the, not inside data. Oh, inside my models, that's what I put it. So there, I created one for common view models, one for the post view models, and this is the one for the products. So see, I'm getting the products and also I'm getting the category list. So back to the controller. So here I'm actually, and also here you can actually create methods so you can upload the image. So this here you can actually upload the image and you can delete the image if you want. So this is the method here. And then I'm using returning a JSON here. So that way I can use JavaScript to retrieve the images and the data. So for the products, but that's for the controller, guys. So that's that. I want to make sure I got it. Oh, and then also I have created the one the views. So you have to go to the areas and you have to go to the views here. And inside there, we have one for the index, one for the to this is the one for the index right here, the index page. This is the table. This is the one you will see here. If we go to the panel and you go to where it says products and you got to go product list. This is what you see here. So you have to implement the, you will have to implement the, the index, all of that. So yeah, so that's what it is. And also I have, in order for you to get the product.js, you have to go here inside the www root. And here it's going to be, I have created more JavaScript here. So you can get one for the category, one for product list, which is right here. It's the same thing. So yeah, pretty cool. Well, guess what, guys? So I have all of that implemented just for you guys, so my subscribers that have been watching my videos. Guess what? You guys, on this today is your lucky day. And I have implemented that. Don't forget to share the video, guys. So So all you got to do is if you go here into my channel and go to all you got to do is, I also have kind of made it more unified because I was working a couple of days and I'm like, you know what? So I end up making it like, so when you click over here, see it has the GitHub there. And I have made it more. So it's, it says Martin Devs. So it's across the whole, so it's across the internet, it's the same thing. So if you type in Martin Devs, you'll find me. Yes, sir. So if we go to my GitHub, which is right here. Okay. So here I done the update on it. So you guys can access that. So let me take a look at my comments, my commits. So here I have fixed a couple bugs too. So you guys are free to check it out. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, so feel free to check it out. This is the GitHub here. Let me see, go back over here. All of that. So the whole project, you can clone the project, you can download it whatever you want with it. It's pretty cool. But um so I'm just implementing, and I will implement more features as I go, and maybe I'll try to see, it depends how many people watch the video. I'll try to implement. Let me go back over here. I'll continue working on some of these. If you guys um, leave a question or any comment on the bottom of the video, what I'll, if you want me to go over something that you would like to know, but it's pretty straightforward. The ASP.NET Core. I think ASP.NET Core has become, like, I was searching online the other day online, and I noticed like most of the jobs, like if we actually go to Indeed, most of the jobs they're actually, they you type it in, they want a full stack. They want somebody with experience with ASP.NET Core. So I think ASP.NET Core is a good technology and to learn. Most of the jobs they require ASP.NET Core is like one of the major requirements is ASP.NET Core or C sharp, whatever, for the and of course, they want, React and Angular and JavaScript. But mainly, you can learn, uh, if you can learn C sharp or ASP.NET Core, that will definitely look good in your resume, guys. So, anyways, stay tuned for more. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys. Depends how many views I get, how many, subscribers maybe, as I go. But I'm going to finish this project um, and see how it goes. I'll start, um, you know, I'll finish it. I started this, I'll finish it, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, but stay tuned. Keep coding. It's finding a job in in this software development in 2024. I know it's a lot tougher, but it's still doable. You just gotta stay focused and continue coding and show that you can do it. All right, guys. Well, you have and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.